What's up guys, AK with the CC train. Today is really cool stuff. Side camera. Bam. Atheron Genesis, gorgeous. Norfolk and Southern 6963 DCC radio locomotive with LEDs. Atheron guys, great job. Outstanding. So what I did, and you can watch it if you're a member of the channel, plug and play decoder installation. I will probably in quote plug and play because I need a soldering gun and a bunch of different stuff. You can watch it. Also, I will do video how I reprogram everything, how I like, and I believe my customer will like. And if it's not, I can reprogram whatever he likes. Anyway, so we have a side camera, we have side rear camera, and you guys probably complicated crazy Russian stuff again. No, that actually shows you how it's if you're going like step by step, it's really easy. Let's start with front view, and this is my LENZ new LH101 controller. I really like it. Easy display. Also it has a LED backlight, really cool. So function F0 will turning headlight and rear light, and they are directional, and I'll show you in a second right there. So if I'm changing directions, it works great. On mostly decoders, yeah, it's pretty much default. And I'll show you really cool bonus. Then we'll run locomotive at the end of the video. So now functions, I remap 6 usually turning ditch lights. Okay, front ditch lights. And if I play the sound horn, my button is not momentarily, so it stays till I press it again. And you can set up like different digital systems very easy. Now, if I'm going to second level or function 13, I'm turning ditch lights in the back if I want, and they not directional. So you can turn them off, or you can leave them on. You can turn the headlights, I'm sorry, ditch lights, front ditch lights. So to do that, we're going to first level of functions and turning them with the function 6. Cool. So the engine can travel backwards, and one more time. Cool. Now it's bonus time. The engine has maintenance lights under the cab. Let's dim a little bit here. So, and those are on function 12. So easy to do it. Also, originally, the function 12 is dimmer. So if the engine, we change the direction right now, so you know to just check the headlight, the maintenance lights on. See? Change the camera view and move the engine right there. Maintenance lights 12. How cool is this? The fun time right now, let's run it with the sound. the engine brand new out of the box, so needs to run in and readjust some parameters. Sequence for turning the sound off. Fantastic sound, motor performance, really cool stuff. Thanks for watching, supporting business. You can support channel, be a member, or we have a Patreon page for it. Link will be in description. Guys, stay home safe and have fun. Have a good one. Bye bye.